Join me as I dive into the world of touchable 3D holograms and see if I can create and interact with one live on camera. Imagine being able to reach out and touch a hologram, to feel its shape and texture, to manipulate it with your bare hands. This is the promise of touchable 3D holograms, a technology that's been in the works for years, but is only now starting to come to life. From revolutionizing the way we interact with information to transforming industries like healthcare and entertainment, the potential impact of touchable holograms is huge. Traditional 3D displays have been around for a while, but they're limited in what they can do. They can show you a 3D image, but you can't interact with it in any meaningful way. You can't touch it, you can't feel it, you can't manipulate it. That's because these displays are just projecting a 2D image that appears to be 3D. They're not actually creating a 3D object in space. Creating interactive holograms has been a challenge because it requires a way to suspend tiny particles in midair, to create a 3D image that you can see and interact with. One of the biggest hurdles has been figuring out how to create a 3D image that's not just visible, but also tangible. We've seen some early attempts at this with things like midair ultrasound, but they're not quite there yet. The problem is that these systems are limited in their resolution and accuracy. They can't create complex shapes or detailed textures. But recently, there's been some major breakthroughs in the field. New technologies have emerged that can create highly detailed, interactive 3D holograms. These new technologies use advanced lasers and artificial intelligence to create the holograms. They can create incredibly detailed and realistic images that you can see and interact with. For example, you can use a special device that uses lasers to suspend tiny particles in midair, creating a 3D image that you can touch and manipulate. It's still early days, but the potential is vast. Let's take a look at a demonstration of this technology in action. This is a device that can create a 3D hologram that you can interact with. As you can see, it's a highly detailed and realistic image that you can reach out and touch. You can manipulate it with your hands, feel its shape and texture. This technology has the potential to revolutionize industries like healthcare, where surgeons could use it to practice complex procedures. It could also transform entertainment, allowing us to experience movies and games in a whole new way. In this demo, we're using a special device that uses lasers to create the hologram. But the possibilities are endless. Imagine being able to touch and feel a virtual object, to explore a virtual world in a fully immersive way. That's the future of touchable 3D holograms. The implications of this technology are huge. It could change the way we interact with information, the way we experience entertainment, and even the way we work. As this technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see new and innovative applications across a wide range of industries. To sum it up, touchable 3D holograms are a game changer. They have the potential to revolutionize industries and transform the way we interact with information. From healthcare to entertainment, the possibilities are endless. What do you think about this technology? Are you excited about the potential of touchable holograms? Let me know in the comments. And if you're interested in the future of virtual reality, be sure to check out my next video, where I'll be exploring the latest advancements in VR technology.